Welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 7, describing words. Lesson number 2, describing words. Yesterday I have explained you what are describing words, children. Anything, any character we are writing about that character, the qualities is called describing words, children. Now let us see in detail. Keywords of this lesson are green, big, small, beautiful, lovely, dirty, nice, garden. Okay, children, describing. Now take myself, children. How am I? Am I short or tall, children? Your teacher looks short or tall? Tall. Fine. I am fair or black, children? How do I look? I look fair. Okay, so describing a person, that is called describing words. Let us take example of these two trees, children. Now what is different in these two trees? Yes, the size is different. One tree is tall. This tree is tall. This tree is short. And what is the other difference you can see, children? Yes, this tree is having fruits. This tree is not having fruits. Okay, children?
Yes, children. I have shown you two different trees on the board. Yes, children, I have shown you two different trees and we have seen what is different between the two trees. A tree is a naming word. We can give different describing words to one naming word. Okay, children, we can describe the size, shape and color. Yes, children, for example, let us take garden. Yes, so garden can be green, children. Yes, garden can be big or small. The garden can be beautiful. Garden can be nice. The garden can be lovely. So all these words are the keywords given in our lesson. So these are all describing words. These all are describing about the garden. Fine, children. Only garden is a naming word, but all these are describing words. Fine. We can describe all the naming words. Okay, children. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. We can use describing words before naming words in a sentence. Okay, children? Yes, children, we can describe the naming words in this way. We can describe them by size. Yes, children, size means what words we have to use when we are describing size. We can use big, small, long, short. Okay, and we can describe naming words by their shape also. It can be square, circle, triangle. Okay, children, and we can describe it by color also. Yes, I have a red color pant. Like that we can make sentence that in upcoming classes I will explain you with sentence. Okay, so we can describe the things, the naming words with color also, red, green, yellow. In this way you can describe the naming words. Okay, children? Yes, children, all of you open your English workbook, page number 42. Write the date, children, 16/10/20. S2, describing words. Bit number 1, write words that describe trees. Children, today we are going to describe about trees, children. Okay, in these boxes we have to write describe trees. Describing words we have to write. Yes, children, how we can describe the trees? Let us take the size of the tree, children. Yes, it can be big. Yes, it can be small. Trees can be big, trees can be small, children. And trees can be tall. Yes, children, tall. Trees can be short. Yeah, we are describing the trees. All these are describing words of trees. And trees can be beautiful. Okay. Yes, beautiful word also we can write for to describe the trees. They can be beautiful. And let us take the color, children. Which color the trees will be? Yes, you know. Trees will be in which color? Yes, green color. So we can write green here. All these words are describing tree. Okay, children, all these words are describing words of trees. Trees can be big, trees can be small, trees can be tall, trees can be short, trees can be beautiful, and trees will be in green color. Okay, children? Yes, children, now bit number 2. Write naming words for one person, place, and thing. Write 2 describing words for each naming word. Okay, children, here they have given us the person. We have to write here name of the person, naming words. Then place, we have to write a name of a place, thing. We have to write a name of anything, children. And then we have to write 2 describing words about them. Okay, children. Now, person, we will write Ravi. Okay, Ravi is a student in my class. Okay, children. So, Ravi, how I will describe him? Ravi is helpful boy. Okay, Ravi is very helpful. Ravi is sweet. So, like this, you have to write 2 describing words, children. Ravi, first person, naming words. Person means we have to write the name of a person, and then we have to describe about him. How he is helpful, sweet. You can write nice, smart, happy. All these are describing about that person. And then let us come to the second column, place. So place, you can write your school, your country. Okay, children. So let us write India. 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 So India is what, children? Our country is beautiful. Yes. So let us write beautiful. Beautiful is describing word. Beautiful, and we will write, and what we will write? Powerful also. Yes, our country is powerful also. Yes. Yes, children. India is a beautiful country. India is very big country. Yes, you can write describing words like this. And thing, you can write ball, bat, book. Okay, children, anything you can write. Let us write ball. Okay, so Ravi and India, what is the starting letter, children? Here capital letter, because these are proper naming words. Proper naming words, we have to write first letter capital. Okay, I am talking about so many students are there. Students are naming word, but Ravi I am writing, no, so it is proper naming word. There are so many countries, but I am talking about a particular country, so it will come as capital letter here. Proper naming word will be coming as in capital letters. Okay, thing, ball. So we will not write here capital letter ball. It can be any ball, children. I am not writing here whose ball it is, or okay, children, I am not writing here proper noun. I am writing common noun. Fine. So ball can be, children. Let us write its shape, children. What shape the ball will be? Round. round, round. And we can write the color of the ball also. Yes, you can write the color of the ball also, red. So for this we have written here helpful, sweet. Ravi is a helpful, sweet boy. India is a beautiful big country. You can write powerful also, and anything else you are getting, you can write, children. Ball is a thing, it is round and red. Yes, children, today we will write one more question, children. This question we have finished in the last class only. Today we are writing question number 2. Who are Pranav's friends? Who are Pranav's friends? Answer: Pranav's friends are the trees and bushes. Pranav's friends are the trees and bushes. Okay, children, write neatly in your classwork book. Children, all of you watch the YouTube videos which we are sending to you. Complete your workbooks, complete your classwork. Okay, children, meet you in the next class. Take care.